We all know how important employment law is in today's business environment. The costs of getting it wrong can be very significant, not only in monetary terms, but also in terms of morale and deteriorating industrial relations. That's why it's so important to keep up to date with what's happening. But in the day-to-day busyness of our lives, very often we don't get time to take the time out and actually attend events like the one that IBEC are hosting today in Clontarf Castle, our 2012 Employment Law Conference. That's why we've decided to put together our first ever DVD of the event, because we're a membership organisation, we exist for you and because of you, and this is what you told us you'd like to have. How do you take the legislation and actually make it apply to yourself and to your business to ensure that you put good practice in place in all that you do in terms of managing people at work? Our legal team have put together today's event based on what they believed were the critical areas of employment legislation for you to know today. We hope that this DVD helps you to retain the key aspects of employment legislation that our legal team felt were vital for today's environment. Our 2012 Employment Law Conference looks at a number of issues. Primarily, it looks at the impact of the dismantling of the employment rights bodies. It also looks at the changing employment law system and the impact that that is likely to have on your business. And the third aspect of today's conference primarily centres around changes in European legislation in areas like maternity leave, parental leave and temporary agency working, and particularly then the impact that they will have on you as a manager and on your business overall. Whatever emerges from all of these proposals, Irish employers will be living with the impact of them for a very long time, and that's why we feel it's very important that you're informed about the debate, and particularly at the annual 2012 conference that's taking place today, you'll get an idea of the context, the conversations and the debate that took place throughout the day on the issues that will affect your business and your organisation into the future. Our role is to help you to support your people to grow. So by keeping informed, by keeping up to date on what's happening in the legislation in particular, we believe that you're giving your people a competitive edge. And this is an area that changes so often. We produce this DVD as a way of helping you to help your people to keep informed in the area of employment law.